Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will introduce to everyone a very cool feature on Instagram, which is the automatic posting feature. First, we need to prepare the content we want to post and put it into the software. The software will automatically pick random icons when posting to avoid being judged as spam. Next, we go to the viral marketing section. Select the post article feature and set the basic parameters here. Then select the content we just added before. Finally, choose the list of accounts you want to post to. Click Start, and the software will automatically post on Instagram for you. If you are interested in my software, please contact me via Tele or WhatsApp. I pin it on the screen or in the comments section. Have a nice day. See you in the next video.